gargoyles on the lintel look just like our old suburban house. Wrapped in a white coat with fur trim, I'm shivering and small. A heavy chain is dragging on the ground, making a sound like keys in the hallway. My hand is outstretched toward the viewer, but I'm really reaching for the light switch that broke in 2007. Reached for the switch, but the timing was all wrong. It's a struggle to maintain the structure while the walls start to fall. Walls start to fall. And the glowing red full moon is hanging heavy like a headlight. Everything is purple electric, swirling in the kitchen light. I've got wings on my back, but I'm still stuck in this driveway. Just a mess of glowing energy and wilted black roses. Yeah, just a mess of glowing energy and wilted black roses. I think the gargoyles are smiling now, or maybe they're just tired. I'm standing under the Gothic stone arches, but they feel like the bleachers behind the high school at midnight. The chains are getting heavier, the fur is getting wet. I'm looking for clarity in a setting that was designed to stay dark. It was designed to stay dark. And the glowing red full moon is hanging heavy like a headlight. Everything is purple electric, swirling in the kitchen light. I've got wings on my back, but I'm still stuck in this driveway. Just a mess of glowing energy and wilted black roses. Just a mess of glowing energy and wilted black roses. It's not Gothic architecture, it's just decay. It's not a full moon, it's just the lights coming on. I'm falling apart in the driveway. I'm falling now. Wilted roses in the suburbs, purple energy. I'm still reaching.